so this is going to be a productive day in my life. So I woke up and I brushed my teeth. Then honestly, I laid in bed and I wasted like 3 hours watching random YouTube videos. Then I ate breakfast from Dunkin' Donuts at like noon. I got a chicken and bacon sandwich, but without the bacon. And then I got chocolate munchkins. Then I uploaded my Vlogmas video from the day before. So I've been doing this thing for like a month where I post every day on my shop Insta to try to get sales, but it hasn't really been working. So if anyone else has any other marketing tips for me, you should tell me below. So I uploaded my post of the day for that. Then I've been trying to do the same thing for the past few days on my graphic design Insta. So I posted a photo on there. So then I did some homework. So since it was Sunday, I took out my weekly planner and I tried to plan out what I was going to do for the week. So then I went out to dinner at Cheddar's. I got chicken tenders. After dinner, I went to this Christmas barn thing. It's really cute. It has like some like Christmas decor for sale and like popcorn and stuff for sale. And it has like a bunch of lights and like Christmas trees. So that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a day of Vlogmas. Bye!